Hello again, Don Gibson for Precision Design and Manufacturing. I'm over at our PWS or Precision Water Systems division. I wanted to introduce you to our BWF-2 bottle washer filler, which, unlike our self-serve products that basically only ozone rinse a bottle for the self-serve industry that the customer would use themselves, this unit will actually wash, rinse, and sanitize with hydrogen peroxide a bottle that you can pre-fill, cap, and actually have for either an exchange program or for sale as they would be. I'm just going to run through the major components first, and then I'll go through how the unit actually operates. So first of all, it's all stainless steel construction. It's all on a component basis, so whether you're looking at a part that operates the unit or even a panel, all of this can be replaced from our parts department. So virtually this unit will never wear out because you can replace and keep it running at any time. They are very durable, as I said, stainless steel. There's three basic rinse, wash, rinse, and sanitize spigots. The two outside ones, the wash and the sanitize, are a heated reservoir. With the heated reservoir, you can adjust the heat up or down to meet your local health unit requirements. So with that being said, you have your heater and pump switches, which you would turn on. They're on a predetermined heat. The unit would heat up. You've got your solution already mixed in your reservoirs, and you've got your rinse water or pure water rinse reservoir filled as well. Now with that being said, you're up and running, it's up to heat, and you're ready to go to start the unit operating. So first of all, the operator would take a bottle, place it over the wash spigot, you press the start button. It's an automatic time, so it's going to spray and wash the inside of the bottle. It will stop, you'll move the bottle across and add another bottle. So now you can get two stations in play. So now what's happening is we're washing a bottle, we're rinsing the chlorination out, and we're waiting for those timers to stop. At that point, we would move the bottle along again, move the second bottle in, and we can even get a third bottle in play. We now are washing, rinsing, and sanitizing. By doing it this way, you can actually end up doing about 40 bottles an hour. So with that being said, production is very good for an entry-level semi-automatic unit. Once the timers have stopped, again you can move across. And now you can start filling a bottle as well. So we've got a bottle filling, we've got bottles washing. These now have ended, and we can get second bottle filling, moving these across. And now we've got 5 bottles in play, as well as we're filling the 2 bottles. At the time that they finish filling, shut off, and we have a cap reservoir so that at that point you can move the bottle out, cap it, and set the bottle aside. And you've now done your filling procedure, as well as you're still in your washing, rinsing, and sanitizing. Thank you very much for tuning in. Don Gibson for Precision Design and Manufacturing, our PWS or Precision Water Systems Division, and our BWF-2 bottle washer, sanitizer, and rinser.